Hi, my name is Leisa Peterson, and I'm a business strategist and money coach from Sedona, Arizona. Since I began using the Interact quiz as a lead generator on my website and through a Facebook ad 1 year ago, I've brought in over 20,000 new leads, which has turned into several new high-value clients. Having a quiz as my lead magnet has really changed the way that I build my customer base. I started using the quiz after seeing that they were having great results overall and being shared with others through Facebook. I was pleasantly surprised to see how easy it was to set up, and the team at Interact was super helpful at helping me along the way. The first time I tested the ad, the results were fair, but I went back to Josh, who suggested I use a woman smiling in the photo for the Facebook ad, and that one change alone skyrocketed the results immediately. We've had over 320,000 people see the ad and over 20,000 people respond, thousands of shares. There are 7 possible outcomes with the quiz, which required me to really up my game when it came to talking to my ideal clients in a much more personalized way. I currently pay about 21 cents per email address through the Facebook ad, which is unheard of in the industry. My favorite thing with Interact is that it integrates directly with Infusionsoft and lets me segment my clients based on which quiz result they get. This allows me to be much more personalized in my communication with them. And my quiz is now the primary way that I acquire my new contacts. It's part of the reason that my business has had such great success over this past year. And if you are looking for a new way to build your business, I highly recommend trying an Interact quiz.